Ready?
Hello everyone. Please welcome Mr. Akhilesh Prasad, CEO Reliance Trends, Varun Behel and Priyanka Chopra. Can I invite Mr. Akhilesh Prasad to please say a few words?
Good evening, guys. Welcome from India's most popular fashion destination. This year we are very proud partner Varun Behel. As you are aware, Reliance Trends is committed to bringing new fashion trends to the country, and as usual, as has been for the last 3 seasons, Priyanka has graciously agreed to partner with us in this. We have had a chance to present Varun Behel's collections for Reliance Trends, and as it's a new opportunity to experience the latest fashion trends.
Extremely proud to be a part of this show with Reliance Trends, and of course having Priyanka as a showstopper, one of her biggest fans, and what I made today was in sync with the trends, the current trends of Reliance Trends, and especially the color palette. Also, I'm back to Lakme Fashion Week after 10 years, and this is what I showed today. Was I handpicked some of the best things I've done in the last 10 years and made them like today, 2014. As you can also see, Priyanka's look is one of the coolest looks today, and when she wears it, it just looks 10 times better.
I really like you, Varun. Hello and good evening to everyone. I'm very excited to be here. Like Akhilesh sir said, 3 years with Reliance Trends. We've had a really great partnership. Reliance Trends has been extremely supportive of everything new that I do, whether it was my music, whether it's my films. So I'm really happy to be partnering with such progressive partners in terms of clothes. Everything that Varun's done has been so chic, contemporary, wearable, which is what I look for in a designer and designer wear. So I'm very excited that this is a great collaboration of progressive minds. Thank you.
Thank you. Do we have any questions?
Yeah, Varun, typically, people see the collections shown at Lakme, and they know the common woman cannot wear it. And I really appreciate, Reliance partnering with you. And Priyanka, you are like exclusive goddess, right? So how do you become suddenly accessible to the common woman? Because the kind of design that you show here, especially with Reliance, it involves mass marketing and not necessarily money couture.
Well, I think anyone would want to wear what Priyanka Chopra wears and endorses. So that answers a part of your question. And I feel it is far more difficult to make a simple collection and make it look effective. And that's what I try to achieve. I balance the look really well. I make it, and my clothes are very, very painstakingly made, and at the end of the day, you have to make it wearable. What's the point of making something beautiful if no one can wear it?
Sorry, just to finish this question. For me, clothes have to be, I consider myself, in terms of my fashion tastes and style, extremely accessible and extremely normal. I get very shy and overwhelmed with clothes that are very, very fancy. So I love the fact that this is a mix of fancy and chic. It's great that anyone can wear this and really, really feel comfortable and fabulous. The idea nahi hai. We are still working on script, and we are still working on getting the cast, crew and the HODs together. Abhi look वगैरह पे बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं दिया because I'm still in the middle of finishing Zoya's film and releasing Mary Com. तो उसके बाद खत्म होने के बाद then we'll decide what she looks like. I have no idea what she looks like.
Hello, good evening.
I feel great. I feel like I'm their lucky charm and they're definitely mine.
So basically, you are considered as a pioneer face.
Yes.
Since you are considered as the pioneer face for the path-breaking fashion and trends and styling, so and as you're already ruling the Bollywood, so what makes you
what prompts you to just walk the ramp again and again? Why do you love to stop the show?
Oh, I love stopping shows. That's a good way of putting it. No, I don't love stopping shows. मुझे actually ramp पे चलने से बहुत डर लगता है. You know, I can be on stage, I can dance, I can sing, I can act, but ramp पे जब चलना होता है, I get very nervous. तो मेरी सारी जो friends होती है, model friends, I'm very lucky that I know most of them. So they remind me very quickly कि अच्छा ऐसे चलना होता है, एक पैर एक के आगे, just keep looking straight, don't turn around, don't smile. तो 50 instructions I get, but I like to do a little bit of everything, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. फैशन इंडिया के लिए एक बहुत ज़रूरी बात है. हमारे पास इतना टैलेंट है in terms of the designers that we have, and I think we partnering with people like Reliance Trends and corporates who come in together and showcase this talent. I think it'll boost our fashion industry a lot more globally. So I think that's very, very important.
Yes.
No, just let him ask the question, poor guy. Anji.
Your clothes, the designer clothes, at the Reliance Trends outlets will be mixed together with the normal on a higher category, and cost-wise, how it would be.
I think we're still yet to decide. We have a meeting the next few days. Take that forward.
That I think anyway. Yes.
I think he would.
I was just wondering how does Reliance Trends will have this separate section or somewhere combined as a costing factor?
Yet to be decided.
Wait a second, Akhilesh, you want to answer
It
that?
will be inspiration that we take from Martin's collection, and you will see the design and styles that he has said would come in its various manifestations to our shop. So it would come in terms of fabrics, it would come in terms of silhouettes, it will come in terms of colors, it will come in terms of prints.
Considering he's already multitasking a lot, and you are also one of the fashion icons that India has got.
Guys, can we keep the door shut, please? Yeah.
Considering you're also one of the fashion icons we've got, your contemporary and friend Deepika Padukone recently cut a line. She designed limited edition for one of the leading brands. So would you want to explore into fashion designing since you are from the
I don't think I'm a fashion designer. I let that be for people like Varun to do. But I am very fond of doing different things. और मुझे अपना ही भरोसा नहीं है, तो फिर I have no idea. Maybe in the future I would do something, maybe not design clothes, but something in the field of apparel. But I'm not really sure yet.
So we could have like a limited edition Priyanka Chopra edition for something.
Not yet, but I don't know. Not yet for sure.
Pioneer collection because it was very contemporary, very fresh in cut, and limited picks, works were very traditional work, like they were Kota.
Well, it was done in a very contemporary way. The Gota strips were woven and the jacket was cut out of it. Yes, it was very contemporary, very modern, chic, wearable, and for the woman of today.
But is it couture or the red or the
I would say it was Pret and a mix of Pret and diffusion.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very